inflatable beach ball. One student uses a long piece of string to find the circumference of the ball. He then calculates the diameter. Figure 2.1 shows the student with the ball. Now question 1. Suggest one practical difficulty in measuring the circumference of the ball.
May I give it a try after Anmol?
Yeah, everyone think about the question, huh? And you write your
I think
answer
I
in your
got
copy.
one answer.
Yeah, you write your answer in your copy, then we will share our ideas.
So do I have to send you the worksheet after completing it?
Yeah, worksheet is already
Sir, the
uploaded.
problem is he should use scale to
No,
measure
the
the
problem
diameter.
is since it is inflatable, it might not be at its fullest diameter.
Yes.
A measuring tape, maybe.
So Adrita, can you annotate?
Sir, I have logged in from my phone, so I can't annotate. Sorry.
You can't.
How about
Aditya, it will be better if you write in the chat.
yes.
Sir, she can write in the chat, sir.
But isn't
No. I'm writing
simple?
here. No problem. I'm writing here. Let us say, huh? Bashafa, don't annotate, huh?
Yes, sir. Just showing that you have to write the answer here.
Then Adrita, tell me, huh? Then I'm writing.
Okay, sir. Since the balloon is inflatable, I'm sorry, it's a beach ball.
Okay, wait.
Since the beach ball is inflatable,
Since the beach ball is inflated, right?
inflatable,
Inflatable, okay, inflatable. Then
it can have varying diameters.
it can
Have varying diameters.
can
Since
have
the visual is
it can have.
Yes, have.
it
Okay.
can have diameters.
Okay.
Varying diameter. I think
Sir,
meter is
VE.
yeah, varying diameter.
Yes, it can have
Diameters.
varied. Like varied means lots of diameter, right, Aditya?
Yeah, it can change.
Diameter method.
Yeah.
For example, someone measures might be 4
Because
meter.
it is soft,
Someone
that's why,
measures
right?
might be 2 meter. A what?
Wow.
Okay. So it is one of the reasons. Any more reasons?
No, sir, this one confirmed.
Confirmed.
Sir, there is
Someone
only
might
one
be
mark,
both.
sir. That is why we will write in only one reason.
But
Knock your brain.
listen, Baksha,
Yes, sir.
don't say that way, because only one mark. But if you are writing in one way, you will get one mark. Like Adrita is writing in her way,
Oh,
she is getting one mark. Then Anmol is writing in one way, he will also get one mark. Okay. So the answers
oh,
can be many, but everyone will get
yes.
mark. So you think your one, and let us know. We will write all of them so that our ideas are increasing, right?
Yes, sir.
If you are only getting only one idea, then you are learning one thing. But if you are getting like 5 ideas or 3 ideas,
It's a very vast amount of knowledge.
yeah, then your knowledge will be more, right? You
Yes.
can do the practicals better. So one thing I got, that we should use scale, right? Like
Yes,
who said
sir.
that?
I said. That was
Who
sir.
said?
Me, Badsha.
Baksha said. So that one can be correct also. Like you are using here rope. Uh, other than
Sir, I
using
said
rope,
measuring tape. Okay.
yeah. So you are saying measuring tape. Basha was also saying the similar thing, right? Basha?
Yes, sir.
I think
Scale.
measuring tape is better than a string. I
Yeah.
think
Yes,
that's,
because the ball is
yeah.
round.
You need accurate
Rounds. That's why.
measurements.
So what can we write? We can write that rope
Scale.
is not suitable to take accurate measurements, right? The
Yes.
Yes.
difficulty.
The used rope in the 16th or 15th centuries.
Rope is not suitable for measuring diameter,
Measurement
measuring,
of a beach ball.
measuring diameter directly. Like why I said directly, did you understand?
Yes.
No,
Because you
I
like
joined late.
like after measuring with the rope, you can get the length of the rope with a meter rule or measuring tape, right? So indirectly this rope you can use, but directly you cannot measure. Do you understand what I'm saying?
Yes.
Yes,
Yes,
sir.
a
Yes,
little.
sir.
Directly we can't measure.
Yeah, directly it is not suitable, but if you are using the measuring tape or any ruler, that is suitable for it.
Another thing that is suitable.
So, uh, how can we use ruler? Do you understand my idea that
Yes.
how can we use ruler? I used one term that is ruler. Ruler can be also used to measure the diameter. So, if you are keeping one ruler here, like here, I'm
Sir,
showing.
I can't see you.
If we keep one ruler here, right, from the ground, then
Yes.
then we are using one set square or another ruler from here. Okay, then we can take the measurement in the scale, right? What is the reading? And that is giving
Sir,
us the diameter.
that is kind of impractical because the beach ball is very big. Um,
Yes, you see the size of the ball, it's very big, right?
Yes.
yes. How
You,
about the
you
measuring tape?
yeah, we can also measure we can also use the measuring tape, but measuring tape has another problem. Like where
Yes,
you
I
will
know.
fix it.
Like
But
fixing would be wrong.
yeah, if you are using the measuring tape, like maybe
Careless
you are
error.
maybe you are not fixing the measuring tape in the right place where it is diameter. That is
Sir,
another
what
problem.
if, sir,
Yeah, tell me.
sir, like what if I invent a big micrometer gauge,
A big
like
micrometer
of
cost.
this size, then
What?
I can measure
Like
the
what?
diameter accurately.
The
Yeah,
exam
that one
will just hear your
Where
beak.
am I?
big micrometer we do not need. Just ruler, meter rule is enough. Okay.
Yes.
Micrometer we don't use for this big diameter. So you got the idea that we can use different instruments different way. Is it clear?
Yes.
Then any other idea that what are the difficulties? Can you give me more ideas?
The
Uh,
ball will, the ball will
the
like
ball will
rotate.
rotate.
Yeah,
Yes,
the
the
ball
ball
will
will
rotate.
rotate.
That's a difficulty.
It will slip.
I mean, it won't
Yes.
stay in its fixed position.
Will
It
slip.
might
It
slide.
will.
Yes. Good,
Okay,
Thomas.
very good idea. Very good
Use a
idea.
measuring stick.
The
to
ball
sir.
might
The
slip,
ball may
right?
Sir, I
slip.
said that first. Sir, I said that first.
The ball might
Will
slip, right?
sleep. Yes.
Okay. That means it is difficult to fix the ball in a place, right? So any more
Yeah.
Yes.
idea?
Mm,
Can rotate.
Yeah, that's the same thing. Super
it's
rotate.
the same thing. Yes.
If you are saying rotate and slip, it sounds the same song, right?
Yeah.
স্যার
Yeah.
ইংলিশে বলতে পারবো না বাংলায় বলতে পারবো না।
Okay, now listen. You do not need to say Bangla.
It might deflate.
Okay, anyone you have any more ideas? I see there are 8 students present. Only
There are three
three
ideas.
students. They are
Sir,
only
four,
talking.
four.
What
Taki,
about
Taki.
Anmol, Taki, our little scientist?
Yes, sir.
Oh,
Then what
Batch of
about
vehicles.
others? Mithila. Then Maru.
Can you repeat the question?
Maruf, sir, Maruf.
Now you are
Maruf is a
saying,
great
repeating
scientist,
the
sir.
question. You are sleeping for this whole time.
No, sir. Why is everyone silent?
Sorry, silent.
There is Tajrila also,
Okay.
Mithila also, right? Everyone should think. The question is written here. Check. Anmol. Then you tell me your answer.
So I have a question.
Yes, sure.
Okay.
Can it be something like while measuring its diameter, it might deflate?
Wow.
If you use measuring tape,
It
I don't
might.
know.
I mean, what
If
if
we
it
use
is tight?
force, it can burst.
What if it's
The
too
ball.
tight and then it will get a bit deflated? I mean, you never know.
Okay.
Hmm.
Anmol.
and the scale will slip.
Anmol, you read the question.
Sir, sir, I want to
I
say,
actually expected a nice point from you, Anmol. Why you are silent? And after 10 minutes, you are saying, sir, what is
Why,
the
Baba?
question?
sir,
Oh, man.
if sir while measuring, sir, if too much pressure is applied, then sir the ball might burst.
Yes, this one.
Hey, didn't
So,
someone else also say this?
I don't
Sir,
get.
same thing said
First.
Lamisa, sir. Same thing.
okay,
This
Yes,
was
listen.
sir.
already discussed.
Whatever Anmol said, that one is really nice point. That if he is pressing while measuring the ball,
Sir, but
while
Lamisa
while
told it
measuring
first,
the
so we want
circumference.
justice for
No,
Lamisa.
let's
Hey,
stop it. Let's stop it.
Sir, we want
Let's
justice for
stop.
Lamisa. She
Okay,
told it
no.
first.
Anmol,
Guys,
maybe
stop
Anmol didn't hear me. Anmol is also
everyone,
right. I'm also right. So we're both right.
Guys,
Okay.
everyone, be quiet. Be quiet. No fighting, huh? In class. Outside of the class, you fight. No problem. It is class.
Sir,
Now look, Anmol gave a wonderful idea that he said if we are pressing this ball too much during measuring the circumference or diameter, what will happen? You will press it too much, right? Then it will be burst. Or I can say that before bursting, what will happen? It will be
it
squashed,
will
right?
deflate.
It will be squashed. So can you write that point that the ball will be squashed during measuring? It is another difficulty, right?
Yes.
So
Yes.
you also write whatever I am writing. You also write these points. The ball might,
Burst.
yeah,
Achal, it's alright.
If we apply pressure.
might get. Barsha, you write. I told you to write. After your
Sir.
writing is over, then you talk.
Sir.
Okay. So our for part A, we need only 1 point to write, but we are writing
We got
all
4.
4 points. Okay. for our understanding, for our
For our
notes. Okay,
understanding.
for enrichment. It is called enrichment. You are doing class for enriching yourself, right? Because we all are sharing our ideas, and by this sharing, we are increasing our knowledge. Is it clear?
Yes, sir.
Okay, now we are going to part B. Part B, I want, who will read? Azrila is always silent. Lamisa, you read, huh?
Okay. E1. Describe a different method that another student may use to measure directly
may
the
I?
diameter of the beach ball. You may include a diagram in your answer. Measuring.
Okay, already I showed you one diagram, right?
Yes.
Yes.
Directly how to measure it. And
We can
another
use
idea,
scale, we can use measuring tape.
another idea came from Lamisa, that Lamisa told we can also use a measuring tape, right, Lamisa?
Yes, sir.
Can we
So,
use a flat scale?
so in your diagram, if you are drawing the diagram, you can include it, right? Or you can write it,
Yes.
whatever you like. Okay. So what can you do?
If we use measuring tape, there might be some problems. So,
So you think that the ruler one is better, right?
first we can take
But
two
the ball might
rulers.
slip.
Yes.
Yes.
The ball might
Very good.
slip.
A ball might slip. That's why we
So
can
what we
use
can
glue.
do is we can.
You know, we can use glue. We can use glue.
Wait. I think we should put some two bricks on
Mashallah,
either
lots
end.
of ideas are coming. You are so genius.
Because
We can use
we
glue
can't
to
use a
stick the
straight
ball.
edge. We cannot use a straight edge or a set square here because it's big. Plus
Yes,
it's round.
that's why
Yes.
We need to use.
we can at least
bricks.
use a glue so it can stick in
So-
place.
So are you
Yes.
drawing?
And then take two scales.
Yeah.
You are using two scales so that you can avoid the parallax error, right?
Yes.
Right.
Measure accurately, sir. Yes, sir.
You can use the
You can
scale
use
or
1
you
meter
can,
rule, a very big meter rule.
Yeah.
and
It's
also you can
smart.
use the set
এই
square,
দর্জির
right?
মধ্যে যেরকম থাকে না, দর্জির যে এরকম
Set
রুল
square is
থাকে
very
সেটা।
small.
So creative.
set
You are
square.
so creative. Lots of ideas are coming, mashallah.
আচ্ছা স্যার, দর্জির দোকানে মনে হচ্ছে দেখেন না এরকম বড় একটা রুলের মতো কিছুটা থাকে,
Yes.
Yeah. That's
এরকম একটা ইউজ
meter
করতে
rule.
পারবো আমরা, সেরকম
Yes,
দুইটা
Meter
নিতে
rule.
পারবো।
We can use that
সেরকম
one.
দুইটা
So
নিব।
did you see our lab meter rule? Did you see, Lamisa?
Yeah.
Yes, sir.
It's
So-
about
Yes, sir.
1 meter.
That one is also bigger one, right? You can use for
Yeah.
the
Yes, sir.
beach ball. As we are dealing with the practical of our physics
স্যার
lab,
কিন্তু প্রথমে গ্লু লাগতে হবে, আমাদের গ্লু লাগবে যাতে আমরা বলটা যদি একটা
yes,
প্লেস
yes.
থাকে তাই।
So you write these points here.
Yes,
Eh? You are
diameter
using
page at the
glue.
time.
Eh,
That was error.
we can use glue, right, Lamisa?
Yes.
We can use glue to fix the ball. To fix the
শুধু তো আমি
ball.
নাকি স্যার হ্যাঁ করছি।
সব আমারও।
Amaro.
At a certain place.
We can use glue to fix the ball at a certain place, right?
Yes, sir.
Place. Then use two rulers, right?
Yes.
Two rulers.
স্যার মিটার রুল লেখেন তাহলে বেশি ভালো হয়। 1 মিটার
Okay.
মিটার রুল।
Okay, 2 meter rules, right? meter rules to get the measurements avoiding parallax errors. So is it clear, everyone?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Did you write, all of you?
Yes.
Okay, then we have next.
Sir, we can also use like thread to.
What?
We can also use thread to fix the ball.
Yes.
Acha, but it might
You
tear.
can do the same.
Sir, is that okay?
I think we
Okay,
need
okay.
to. We need
So
something
Barsha,
to
you
keep it
want to
inside.
use the it's cos tape.
That he wants to use
Yes.
the tape
আর
instead
কষ্ট
of
দিলে
glue.
থাকবে না
No, sir,
because
not
the cost
not tape. I'm saying thread, suta, thread.
Okay.
It might tear.
You want to use thread for what?
Thread to fix the ball. Then we will measure the.
বাদশা
How come?
বাদশা listen
Okay,
if
wait.
you
I
want
think I get it, kind of.
ভাই
Hey,
আদিতা
Baksha, how
বুঝতে
will you
পেরেছি
আমি
কেউ
বুঝি
বুঝতে
নাই।
পারে
You mean you want to hang it from somewhere?
Yes.
Oh,
Then I can like measure the diameter of the
Somewhere like
ball.
a tripod
Ballটা
stand or
slip
something
করবে
to hang it.
বলটা স্লিপ করবে
but
কিন্তু তুমি
if you
সেটা ইউজ
hang
করো
it, then while taking
বলটা স্লিপ
measuring,
করবে
the ball,
It might
the ball
tear.
might.
একজন করে বলো।
এটা স্লিপ
Okay,
করবে
one by one. Yes, Taki's idea is good. You tell one by one what you want to say. Raise your hand, then you express. Then you have any other argument you can say. If everyone talks, we will listen.
স্যার can I tell
Yes, yes. Tell me. Yes.
okay. If we use strings the ball might slip because it's a ball
Wait, can I
the ball
also?
might slip if it's hanging in the air because if you want to hang the ball in a fixed place it will be hanging in the air and it will be difficult to fix the ball in a certain place
So if you are hanging from
and
anywhere,
there's also the trouble of wind you know if wind blows the ball will move the strings will move the ball will also move so
Yeah.
we can't measure it in a windy area
so everyone is becoming
Okay.
scientist, mashallah. That's really nice.
Sir, then
Now,
we don't need to study anymore.
Albert Einstein Jr.
yeah, you will study. You will not, get peace in your mind without studying. Because you are already scientist, right?
Yes.
For your
Albert Einstein Jr.
for your
Albert
for your
Einstein.
need, you will study. You have to study because you will want to be a greater scientist, right?
No.
You always will
Yes,
not be small
yes,
Taki.
yes.
Sir, we need to be happy with what we have.
Okay.
Stay with what you
Then
don't
next
like.
year you don't say, sir,
improve
promote
yourself
us.
improve
Promote
yourself
us in class 9. Then don't say, okay, always be in class 8.
Okay, Taki?
Okay, Anmol?
So you have the problem, you told. Then stay in class 8. Bye bye.
No problem.
Okay, Taki, now you read B2.
B2.
Yes.
Okay, sir. B2, right? Suggest 2 ways in which the student in B1 can make the measurement of the diameter accurate. Okay.
Yes. How can you make the measurement more accurate?
Sir, can Anmol help me?
Sure.
help you
Annual help.
Excuse me, sir. I have a question.
Sir, why?
Sure, sure.
Sir, could you check my diagram? I spent a lot of time drawing this on my laptop.
Perfect diagram then.
Which one?
Let's see.
This one. I spent a lot of
Wow.
time whilst you were
Sir,
quarreling.
Oh, it's
Those is it.
wonderful diagram. Awesome.
Perfect diagram.
Yeah, it's really nice
Good
diagram.
job.
Thank you so much. Good job.
Welcome, sir.
Well done. Now, B2. Can you give us the idea?
Sir, how about we repeat the steps in B1 two times?
Yeah, we can do this instead of doing across and up and down.
Instead
And
of
do it
one time, we can
diagonally.
do it 3 times, 3 times, 4 times, and 5 times, and we can see which one
Yes,
is more
yes.
accurate.
Oh, Lamisa, you are really
Smart.
young scientist. So you can measure the reading several times and take the average, right? This is one point.
Yes. Oh, Rami sir. Good.
So you
Yes,
write
sir.
it, everyone. Repeats. So you write here, repeat measurements.
Several times.
Once you said repeat, and it came several times. Repeat measurements and then take average. It's really great, Lamisa. Then next, any more ideas?
Sir, how about we use 4 scales?
Yes.
I got that idea from Advita's diagram.
Yeah.
It's
Very
more
good.
accurate.
I think we
Yes,
should,
yes.
like Ramisa said, I think we should glue it to a place, for example,
Using
like a wall or
use
something.
two
And
scales.
Advita drew it in our diagram.
Use two scales at opposite sides, right?
Yes,
Yes.
opposite direction.
Opposite sides. And get the distance between them, right? Distance
Between them.
between them. Okay? Is it clear?
Yes, sir.
So are
Sir,
you writing,
yes.
everyone? Please finish writing.
Certain.
Then you have any question, you can ask me. You have anything to say,
No,
you can ask
sir.
me.
Bye bye, sir.
Why bye-bye? We have
You
5
told
minutes.
done.
I said
Oh,
if you
sorry.
have any questions, that means class is not over. If you don't have questions, your friends might have, so you listen to them. And you have a test, right? Aki?
yes.
Aki,
Yes,
when
sir.
is our next test?
The
You are
test,
Sir.
absent. You are absent in last class.
Yes, sir. Maybe I was absent.
You were absent.
I was absent.
So you know about the test.
No, sir.
So how come you are present? We declared the test date in that class.
I don't remember.
Okay, so our test is on Wednesday, right?
The next Wednesday.
Wednesday.
Yes,
Next
Wednesday.
Wednesday.
Wednesday is
Oh,
30th of September. On which topic?
Sir, kinematics.
Kinematics. So you
sir,
get
on Google
prepared, huh?
Forms.
All of you get prepared.
Sir,
Yes,
on Google Forms.
like before. Google form,
Okay, sir.
there will be MCQ and structured, both questions. Is it
Okay,
clear?
sir. Yes, sir.
So,
Sir, it will be better if we
40%
only
clear.
MCQ, sir.
yeah, stay safe
Sir,
everyone. Huh?
what is the
Thank you
date?
so much for joining.
Sir, what is
Bye
the
bye,
date?
So
sir.
Bye bye,
this,
Lamisa has a
sir.
question, guys.
okay,
Wait.
this, hey,
Sir,
listen.
Lamisa have a question,
Wait.
sir. Lamisa.
Sir, what
Yes,
is the
Lamisa,
date?
Lamisa.
The
Today's
date.
date,
What is the
20,
date?
today's date, 24.
No, sir. The test
Oh,
date.
sir,
Okay,
30th, 30th of
30th, 30th of September, last day.
September. Okay, sir. Bye bye.
Okay, you should submit this homework. Okay, this lab work you have to submit by Saturday. Allah Hafiz.
Sir, I've already done
sir,
this.
I'm sending you
I'm
now.
sending it to you.
Sir, can I
I will,
submit by
I will
Monday?
in the copy.
Okay, you who submitted, thank you so much. They who did not, it is your time limit. By Saturday you submit. Allah Hafiz.
Yes.
Okay,
Yes, sir.
thank you.